Did you know that 70% of businesses worldwide rely on networking technologies to stay connected and competitive? Pretty fascinating, right? Networking is the backbone of the digital world, and having the right skills can take your career to incredible heights. Today, we're covering CCNA, one of the most recognized networking certifications you are looking for. By the end of this video, you'll learn what CCNA is, who it's for, and how it can elevate your career. And so, let's get started. CCNA, or Cisco Certified Network Associate, is a globally recognized certification that validates your skills in networking fundamentals. Think of it as your entry ticket to the world of networking. It covers a broad range of topics including routing and switching, security, automation, and even the fundamentals of wireless networking. Here's something cool you will be interested to know. Cisco, the powerhouse behind CCNA, has its networking gear running the backbone of businesses across the world. From global enterprises to small businesses, Cisco's influence is everywhere. That means earning a CCNA certification doesn't just add value, it makes you a sought-value professional in the industry. Now that you know what CCNA is, let's explore who can benefit from it. Alright, who should go for CCNA? It's not just for tech enthusiasts, it's for anyone looking to thrive in the world of networking. Does this sound perfect for you? Let's find out. Are you an IT support technician? If you're already handling network troubleshooting, CCNA helps you level up by understanding the core concepts behind what you do daily. Are you looking to enter the networking field? CCNA is perfect for beginners aiming to build a solid foundation in networking principles and start off their careers. Are you an IT manager or administrator? Understanding networking fundamentals helps you make informed decisions, ensuring seamless operations in your organization. Or maybe you're considering a career switch? With CCNA, you can transition into the tech field and open doors to exciting networking roles. If any of these resonates with you, CCNA might be your next big move. But why should you consider it? Let's break down the benefits. Why choose CCNA? Let us tell you, it's more than just a certification, it's your career booster. First, it's globally recognized. CCNA is accepted worldwide, making you a desirable candidate in the New York to Dubai job markets. Whether you're looking to work locally or internationally, this certification gives you a competitive edge and opens endless opportunities. Second, career advancement. Whether you're looking for a promotion or a new role, CCNA gives you an edge by validating your skills. Employers value certified professionals who can hit the ground running, and CCNA helps you stand out in a crowded field. Next, higher salary potential. Networking professionals with CCNA can earn competitive salaries, often surpassing €50,000 a year. As businesses continue to expand their IT infrastructure, skilled networking professionals are in high demand, meaning better pay and job security. Moving on to enhanced knowledge. You'll gain a deep understanding of networking, making you more confident and efficient in your role. From mastering troubleshooting to understanding the latest networking trends, CCNA ensures you're always one step ahead. Lastly, the gateway to specialization. CCNA acts as a stepping stone to advanced certifications like CCNP and CCIE, taking your career even further. It paves the way for specializations in areas like cybersecurity, cloud networking, and automation, helping you carve out a niche in the industry. With CCNA, you're not just learning networking, you're securing a career that stands the test of time. And that wraps up our deep dive into CCNA. Ready to take your networking skills to the next level? Consider the Knowledge Academy courses to help you achieve your goals. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Knowledge Academy, and hit that notification bell for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.